there! I wanted to do a haul of everything I got at the Renaissance Fair since it was a marketplace today, and you know what that means. It means big spend. First and foremost, I got this shirt that I'm wearing. This blouse, the chemise, is from Huzzah. It has drawstrings on the sleeves and on the neckline. This is all sheared and it is so comfy. Huzzah, I highly recommend for anybody with sensory issues. Their pants are the only pants I can wear sensory issue free, and I own 6 pairs of them and like 3 blouses. Next up, I got these beautiful spiral earrings from Silver Lady Jewelry. This is my favorite store ever, and I highly recommend checking this store out. Pretty please. This is what they look like untangled. And this is what they look like on. This was actually surprisingly easy to get in, considering like look at that. It was so easy to get in, I'm shocked. Of course, I got another pair of earrings from Coco Loco. I have like 4 or 5 pairs of these now. I wore these guys today. In my other ear, you can see them. These are the Coco Loco earrings I wore today, but I love their stuff and the cats are so cute. Look at them. I got this amazing mushroom pin last weekend, and I came back for another one for one of my friends in a slightly different style. You guys can't see it though, because it's a surprise from my friend, and I think they're gonna love it. I literally should have opened this one first, because this has something alive in it. Oh, the mushroom brooch, before I open this guy, the mushroom brooch is from Oakshire Oddities. Okay, I'm opening up this guy. They wrap all of their... Oh, that's a hint. They wrap everything so well. I'm so nervous. I hope he made it through the car ride okay. Oh, okay, here it is. Look! This wall piece with this air plant is from my new favorite store. Well, second favorite store after Silver Lady, of course. But from my new second favorite store, Rivertown Pottery and Sculpt. And I've already got pieces from them. Like this mushroom incense burner, I got this last weekend. This incredible turtle bowl that I got last weekend. And this beautiful microwave and dishwasher safe mushroom cup, which I've been using nonstop. So this piece here actually hangs on your wall. That's why there's like a little hole there. And this is a live plant. It's an air plant that they gave me care instructions for. And of course, I spent even more money there. Okay, they only double wrapped this one. So I got another mug, but this one has sea creatures on it. I've been thinking of this little cup since last week, and it's just so beautiful. Look at the little octopus and the turtle. I love it. There's one more thing though. There's one more thing. Okay, this is my last piece from Rivertown Pottery and Sculpture, and the last thing I got today at Marketplace. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So it's another dish, but it has a whale on it, and it's so beautiful. It has like stars down here and these waves, and just the whale is so pretty. I think I'm gonna put like rings or brooches in it, like more jewelry. I just can't get over how beautiful this pottery is. What was that noise? Wait, I'm so sorry. What? Oh my god. Mila. Okay. What were you doing in there? Okay. Yeah, so that was my haul from... One more thing. Okay, one more thing that I got. I'm sorry. Okay, I believe this last shop, and I promise this is it, is called Serendipity, but don't quote me on that because I can't remember and I'm so sorry. But it's in the back of my hair. It's like this sunflower brooch. Hopefully you can see it. I'll move you closer. Can you see it? Hopefully. It's literally so cute. I got one for my mom too, and it's also flowers, but like a variety of flowers, and it's amazing. What are you doing? Okay. Anyways, today, definitely a success. I got my 2 tickets. Woo! Now I have to see who is gonna come with me. Who can I bribe into going with me back to the fair? Mila! Mila, what are you doing, you silly girl? What? I just realized watching this back that you couldn't even remotely see this like gorgeous, gorgeous hairpiece from Serendipity. Look at that! And it's like quite big too, so you can get a lot of hair in there. It's literally just so, so beautiful, and it's like really heavy too. Like it has a good weight. It's beautiful. Okay, now we're done with everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Mila, say bye!